Atomic Bond: A Journey into the Heart of Matter by Yusuf Ayman. Introduction to atoms. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter. They are incredibly small, with a diameter of only a few angstroms. Despite their small size, atoms are incredibly complex and have a variety of unique properties that make them fascinating to study. At the center of an atom is a nucleus made of protons and neutrons. Electrons orbit the nucleus in shells, which determine the chemical properties of an atom. The numbers of protons in an atom determines its atomic number, which in turn determines the element which it belongs to. Types of atomic bonds. Atomic bonds are the forces that hold atoms together in molecules and solids. There are three main types of atomic bonds: covalent, ionic, and metallic. Covalent bonds occur when two atoms share electrons, while ionic bonds occur when one atom donates an electron to another. Metallic bonds occur when metal atoms share electrons in a sea of electrons. The type of bond that forms between atoms depends on the electronegativity difference between them. If the difference is small, a covalent bond will form. An ionic bond will form if the difference is large. Metallic bonds occur in metals due to their unique properties. Covalent bonds. Covalent bonds occur when two atoms share electrons. This type of bond is very strong and stable, and is most common type of bond in organic molecules. Covalent bonds can be polar or non-polar, depending on the electronegativity between the atoms. Polar covalent bonds occur when there is an unequal sharing of electrons between two atoms. Non-polar covalent bonds occur when there is an equal sharing of electrons. Examples of molecules that with covalent bonds include water, carbon dioxide, and methane. Ionic bonds. Ionic bonds occur when one atom donates an electron to another. This type of bond is typically found in salts, as sodium chloride. Ionic bonds are relatively strong, but not as strong as covalent bonds. An ionic bond, that donating atom becomes positively charged, while the accepting atom becomes negatively charged. The resulting attraction between the two ions creates the bond. Ionic bonds are important in many biological processes, including nerve impulses and muscle contractions. Metallic bonds. Metallic bonds occur in metals due to their unique properties in a metallic bond. Metal atoms share electrons in a sea of electrons. This type of bond is very strong and allows metal to conduct electricity and heat as well. The unique properties of metallic bond allows metal to be shaped and formed into a variety of structures. Metal used in a variety of applications, from construction to electronics to transportation. Conclusion: atoms and atomic bonds are fundamental to our understanding of the world around us. The properties of atoms and types of bonds they form have important implications for a variety of fields, including chemistry, biology, and material science. By studying atoms and atomic bonds, we can gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and develop new technologies that can help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. Shukran.